Hello everyone, so first we are going to take a low ponytail, applying the spin underneath it and then taking the remaining hair, applying a rubber band on them, and then we are going to fold them by using this black clip into this voluminous bun. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, then by using this tool we are going to fold it together into a round shape bun, and then we are going to apply this beautiful pin on the bun and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides, securing it with the rubber band and then folding it once. Then we are going to take the remaining hair, dividing it into two sections as well, and then taking the first one and then passing it to the opposite side. Taking all of the hair, we are going to make a braid and then fold the braid to the opposite side as well, and then securing it with this bobby pin, and it is ready. Next we are going to take a ponytail, then we are going to fold it all inwards like this, and then we are going to even our hair, after that applying this clip to them. Next we are using this tool for folding the hair and then converting it into a round shape bun. After that you can apply any kind of clips or clutches to it. Here we've used this small beautiful white pin. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, and then by taking a little part from the start we are going to secure it with a rubber band and then add some space. We are again using a rubber band to it, and then we are going to convert it into a voluminous bun and securing it with this golden pin, and you can see it is ready. Next we are taking a low ponytail, then using a rubber band we are going to fold it all together inwards, and then we are going to use again a rubber band to it. After that you can secure it with any kind of pin or clip or keep it as it is. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, and then taking some part of it from the start we are going to secure it with a rubber band, and then at the last we are going to convert it into this beautiful heavy voluminous bun. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, and then we are going to fold it once by using this tool, and then we are going to fold it all together by using this beautiful pin, and your bun is completed. Next we are going to take all of our hair, and then by using our finger we are going to convert it into an elongated bun, and using this pin we are going to secure it like this. Next we are going to take a high pony, and then we are going to use this ribbon for folding the hair once and then converting it into a simple bun, and then we are going to secure it with the same clip only, and your simple yet beautiful hairstyle is completed.